Well, here we are, back again. Yeah, it's been quite a ride. So where has LaShauna been for these past 2 years on YouTube? Well, she had to go find herself. She has had an entire spiritual, emotional, mental, physical, financial transformation. She is not the same. Let me stop. Do y'all even know who I am? Do y'all even remember? It's been so long. Hey, I'm LaShauna Monyette. You may remember me from Monyette's Makeup, or remember me as Monyette's Makeup. However, at this point, the makeup part is that's gone. Not gone from me, because I really beat her today a little bit. I haven't beat her in a long time. Y'all get into it. But makeup is no longer what I do. I have transitioned away from makeup into more in alignment with my true purpose, and I will fill you all in on that. But yeah, makeup was something that I just love to do, and I realized that I could make a career out of something that I loved. However, and take this, here's a gem. Just because you are talented at doing something doesn't make it your purpose. So if you want to be in alignment with what God has in store for you and what He has placed you here on earth for, you have to go towards your purpose and not just something that you like to do, because eventually you will get burned out. Hello. That was me. Not on myself necessarily, but on others, for sure. I'm here to share my journey on how I got from that old LaShauna to this one right here. And I think this one is pretty dope. I'm kind of feeling her. Every day I learn something new. I may wake up and be a totally different person. Like, ooh, where'd she come from? But it's all right, because I know I'm in alignment. So whoever I become, she's about to be what? This will be just simply LaShauna Monyette. I can't even tell y'all what's about to go down on this channel. I'ma pray that something is said or done that can help motivate you, inspire you, or give you a little tidbit of information of something that you can apply to your life that may help you on your journey. Or you can comment down below and help a sister out. Give me some tips, tricks, pointers. I'm taking anything I can get, because knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more you grow. Hello. So basically, I don't even know where to begin. This is one of those things I just decided to show up. I said, you know what? It's time. I'm at that point where it's time for me to share my journey. It's about that time. It's one that is for the books. Literally, I got plenty of books that I write in, because this is stuff that I have to write down all day, every day. Honey, let me hold this, because I'm around. It's one of those. But it feels so good to be at a point where I can share it. You know what I mean? Because this has been a long time. All this dangling, it's this right here. It's my necklace, and it's cute. By the way, you will get some, what's the word I'm looking for? Merchandise plugs, because your girl is a straight up hustler at this point, all right? I'm selling all type of stuff. Anything I can get my hands on, I might sell it. I ain't selling my body or nothing like that. But this jewelry, I do sell jewelry. This is paparazzi. $5, y'all. $5. You hear me? And she's cute. I just got into them not too long ago. Once I saw how much money I was spending on this $5 jewelry, it started adding up. I'm like, wait a minute now. this could be a business. And that's what I did. Hello? Because see, this girl right here needs 7 streams of income. Get into it. And so I got a few. I got a lot of stuff to sell. Not necessarily that I'm going to push it down your throat. I'm just letting you know what I use, what work, what helps me look good and stuff. And if you like it, buy it. If you don't, keep on moving and ignore what I said. Anywho, moving forward, this will not be a makeup channel, but it's more so to fill you all in on my life as of today and just the process of getting here. Because this has been quite a ride, to say the least, this will not go down in just one video or 2 videos. It will be more like like one of those good shows that you just came across that just so happened to have about 5 seasons and you just realized that it was on Netflix or something. So now we're just gonna go episode by episode of what has happened, what I have learned, what I have applied to my life, what worked, what didn't work. It's just a big ball of me. And while I am conveying that, I may throw some makeup in here and there, some get ready with me's, how I style this hair, because today, ooh, I'm loving it. Don't even talk to me, because can't nobody tell me nothing today. I tried a new hairstyle and baby, this is it. Just gonna get used to seeing it because I love it. Moving forward, I'm excited, and every day whenever I sit down and cut on this camera, whatever you get is what you get. Hopefully it's entertaining, informative, motivational, inspiring, whatever you want to take from it. There you go. If you all could let me know what type of videos you would like to see. It could be from whatever you want to see. I'll see if I can slide it on in there, but don't throw too many makeup videos in there, because I don't know about all that. Like, you take this in, take it in, because next time you might not see all of that. Okay, you may get a lash. You will probably definitely get some highlight, because I love me a good little glow. Full faces every day, now that it ain't gonna happen. So yeah, I just came to check in to let y'all know I'm back. And I want you all to be on the lookout. Like the video, because the more you like the video, the more my videos will pop up on your timeline. Also, subscribe if you haven't. That will almost ensure that you see it. But what'll really get you is pressing that bell, okay? If you press the bell, you get notified when I post videos. And you don't want to miss it. Don't hop around my videos, because you may miss a good hot piping tea out of my empty cup. The tea will get hot. It will, because I ain't holding nothing back. I may filter a few little names just to, protect others. But as far as LaShauna, I don't care. What you get is what you get. My story is my story, and it is what it is. And the purpose of sharing the story is to let you know what I did to overcome or to make it through said stories. All right. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. Follow me on my Instagram, LaShauna.Monyette. I will see y'all next time. Stay prayed up, stay grounded, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.